the environment is too loud, you can pop your AirPods in and it can help you out with reducing the sound that's around. You can take a hearing test on your iPhone to check for hearing loss and get hearing assistance. So when you start speaking, you can lower the volume and enhance the voices that are in front of you, which is pretty cool because the AirPods Pro can turn on the microphone and hear everything someone else is saying and then amplify that in your own ears while your AirPods Pro are in your ears. So pretty cool. So you can take a hearing test to get started. I'm going to say not now for the purposes of this video, but you can go ahead in your AirPods settings to take the hearing test at a later date. And there we go.